Okay, so the next thing we need to look at is how to grip the knife. Simple really, there's two kinds of grips. One I just call the handle grip, which is you just stick the handle in your hand and adjust to get a nice comfy position. Yeah, simple enough. Second one is a pinch grip, so take my thumb and first finger and pinch the bottom edge of the blade and then just wrap my other three fingers around like that and then just adjust again to get it comfortable. This grip, the pinch one, has a bit more control because you're actually gripping the edge of the blade, so controlling the angle of the blade with these two fingers, but you can use either one. So when we cut stuff, the left hand is our guiding hand and we need to keep it safe, otherwise you're going to chop your fingers off. So with this hand, what we need to do first is tuck in our fingers, or the ends of our fingers, like so. And then what we do is sort of push these fingers together so that they are touching, like so. And they're still curled under. And then just turn your hand upside down. And we have sort of like, I don't know, a crab looking thing. But when we cut, we're going to have the knife up against here. And because our fingers are curled under, it keeps them safe. So if you want to practice slicing, there's a couple of ways again. Either make a bit of dough like this and just stretch it out into sort of vegetable-y looking shape, be like a massive carrot. Or yeah, grab some celery is probably the easiest one to start with, because one, it's cheap, which is nice, and it's quite a stable thing to cut. So all we do, take our knife, we've got the guiding hand like so. By the way, these two fingers, they just rest on either the chopping board or on whatever you're cutting, just to make it nice and stable. So from there, we're just going through, cutting through like so. What I'm not doing is just pressing straight down. A knife cuts through the slicing action, not through just pressing down and compressing the thing. If you do that, it puts more strain on your wrist here. So nice and easy slice through. And then the advantage of the dough is that you can remake it and you don't end up with loads of, say, celery left over. And there we are. So that's knife grip, what you do with your left hand, your guiding hand, and just a little bit of slicing to start with.